Growing up in a farming community and having family members at that farm really got me connected to the farming community. It's a group of people that take pride in what they do and have a real sense of community that I can relate to.
What makes us unique at Grimble B. Coleman is that we have a dedicated team of folks that work with the ag industry. We have people that have personal backgrounds that came from a farming background and have spent time with clients and really learn the industry and learn the challenges that our clients face. Business advisory is us going beyond the traditional compliance work and looking for those projects where we can really partner with our clients and give them some additional insight.
It's important to have a relationship with your clients because if you don't have that relationship, you tend to stay on the surface. You tend to stay transactional. By having a relationship, you get to know your clients and your client's business is a lot better. You understand the challenges that they're trying to overcome, and by having that additional relationship with them, you're able to solve some of those problems that you might not get to if you only had that surface level relationship.
Again, I mentioned the foundation classes. So students for their foundation has to require to take certain classes. After they require those certain foundation classes, they obviously can go into more of their major area. So within those foundation classes, the students are having to take either the agricultural mechanics or the irrigation courses. So with that, it's developing that foundation that they need that the other classes are built upon. So I think that's where you see a funnel of students going through. So the students are going through that to develop that foundation. So I think it's a lot of foundation type skills that are built that we build upon with the advanced courses.
Excellent. Dave, let's switch to you. And how do students learn about Paths to Ag and Ag Tech at Stanislaus?
We're lucky to have brought the National Ag Science Center to campus, and that does help with our visibility and outreach. I think the main pathway by which students learn about ag tech is through internships. Internships in a variety of programs, including Rotimi's program in agriculture, but also in most of the sciences, the hard sciences, we have internships. So I think that's the clearest way that we can educate students about the breadth of opportunities in industry.
Rotimi, I'll have you add to Dave's thoughts on Stanislaus.
Yes, in addition to what Dave has just said, I mean, all students in the ag program go through internships that enable us to not only teach the students about emerging technologies in the classroom, but also have them going into the industry to really see how this works, and also to find out are there problems that they also need to look at. Yeah, we don't have an engineering program, unfortunately, but we try to kind of look into areas in which we can leverage the skill set that faculty have in terms of helping students understand technology that is emerging. The other area where students learn about technology in ag is we have students go through 2 courses as part of the curriculum. One is GIS, Geographic Information Systems, that all students in agriculture take before they graduate. The other course is remote sensing. Some students take, that is not a requirement for all students, but some students take remote sensing. It's open to all our students. We also offer a gateway course, a GE course for students irrespective of major, which is called Ag Society and Natural World. And we've really revamped the course to expose students to the importance of ag in the environment and also emerging technologies that are available in the ag industry, like the leaf testing devices that really can test moisture content and several other things like that that students can be familiar with. Then we also offer as I said earlier on, the summer program camp that is a gateway to our program. It's a recruitment opportunity and also a way to expose incoming students or students that may not come to Stan State, to expose them to what's going on in the ag industry, either through irrigation opportunity. We've kind of been to MJC for the irrigation program, and some other areas we've been to, taking students to USDA Research Center at Prelia down south, in where they do a lot of research in different areas in the industry. So a variety of ways that students in our program and also students in the community can get to know technology opportunities in agriculture. So those are just a number of them.
Yeah, so through UC Merced, students gain opportunities for ag tech or get exposure primarily through research events, and now we are incorporating it more in our courses. For example, I teach Introduction to Environmental Science and Technology and talk about ag tech. So through our research, through this FACS Bridge program, we're trying to expose students early, and we'll have field trip Fridays where they get to see ag tech in action in fields or ranches or processing facilities. And then there's a number of faculty doing ag tech research, especially in mechanical and civil and environmental engineering. Dr. Reza Sani does work with harvesting of almonds and putting sensors on trees, for example. We have a lot of remote sensing and GIS as well for different faculty. And through events, like as I said, through Citrus, the Ag Tech Roundtables, also we host speakers for the students, and then we have engineering service learning and innovate to grow events, so students can be involved in service learning projects with different companies in ag tech, as well as through our capstone senior design projects. So we have a lot of partnerships, say with Morningstar and other companies, so students get exposure throughout their career at UC Merced.